Let's get some business news now with Peter Switzer, founder of the Switzer Report. Pete, good morning. He's our money man. He's got the money hat on. Why the negativity for stocks last week, Pete?
Yeah, Pete, I think the most important reason was the Fitch US debt rating downgrade. That spooked the market a little bit. Then Apple came out with a less than valuable report. Hourly wage rises as well, and also profit taking. The US market's been doing so well for quite some time. It just made sense that they would actually take some profit. But also, this is an unusual one. The Stock Traders Almanac, one of my Bibles when it comes to assessing markets, Pete, it says that the first 9 trading days in August are historically weak for share prices. And since 1987, August has been the worst month for the Dow and the second worst for the S&P 500. So you kind of expect some negativity in this month of August.
Well, I mean, there's negativity, and then there was absolute crapola, which was last week, Pete. Crying into my Weet-Bix every morning I was. So should we be expecting a rebound this week at least?
Well, given the fact that it usually takes 9 days or so, that's probably 2 trading weeks for the US market to recover. We're going to be looking at key data, Pete, and obviously the big one is the US CPI, because if America can believe that interest rate rises are over, the stock market will really love it. And if they love it on Wall Street, they'll love it here as well. So I think that's going to be the critical issue. Locally, Pete, we've got consumer confidence and business confidence. That's going to be important for us to assess what's happening to our inflation as well. But data is going to be the most important reason for a turnaround in stock prices or a reinforcement of this negative trend, which is really, I think, going to be short term.
Okay, so the data drops this week?
Yeah, so my focus is going to be locally, consumer confidence from Westpac, the NAB business confidence from NAB, of course, and then in the US later in the week, CPI and then producer price indexes will all come out. And you're kind of hoping that data is going to reinforce the view that enough interest rate rises have happened both in the US and also here in Australia.
Okay. Peter Switzer, good to see you, Pete.